Scoring under 200 is partially proficient. 2 to 249 is considered proficient. And a score of 250 to 300 is proficient. The goal of the assessment is to measure the achievement in the areas of math and language arts in grades 3 through 8. And it also measures science in grades 4 and 8. Richfield is compared to two different groups, one being the entire state of New Jersey, the other is our district factor group. District factor groups are similar towns to ours, based on several different criteria. The criteria include adults with no high school diploma, adults with college education, occupational status, unemployment rate, percent of individuals in poverty, and median family income, and that's what's called the DFG, or a district factor group. Similar to districts to ours, Carlstadt, Pagoda, Cliffside, those are districts that are in our district factor group. Over the last few years, there's been a big shift. I'm sure as many of you have heard, we're moving from the New Jersey state standards to the Common Core standards. Over the past 3 or 4 years, the NJASC has reflected that. Actually, last year was the last year for both the NJASC and the HESPA test, because this year we will be doing the PARCC testing. PARCC testing will be given in grades 3 through 8. In the high school, it's new. It's going to be grades 9, 10, and 11, whereas right now the HESPA is just in grade 11. So if you look at the items, in 13 it was all the New Jersey standard items, and then last year the changeover started. It was half New Jersey state standards, and the other half was Common Core items. And then this year, when we take the test in the spring, it'll be all based on the Common Core at all levels, elementary, middle, and high school. This is our third grade of last year, and this compares our students, and all the slides will be the same, to the state and the DFG. The state is in gray. Our district factor groups are similar towns are in orange, and Richfield is in blue. There are certain subgroups that must be reported because of the numbers. So what you'll see on these slides are our total student population, which is everybody, just general education, our special education population, and our students who are considered economically disadvantaged. And these are the percentages. As you can see in third grade language arts, we score above both the state and all those in our district factor. Same thing in grade 3 math. We did a lot of work consulting on math last year, and thank you for that. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Belisi. You worked really hard with that committee last year. Okay. Grade 4 English language arts, we were more in line. As you see total students, we were just in line with everybody. German language struggled a little bit. Special ed, we did much better than everybody, as did our economically disadvantaged. Grade 4 math, again, we saw the same trend in our math pretty much across the board last year. Our scores went up, and we did better in all areas, and we exceeded both the state and the DFG groups. This is going to be posted on the website. I know I'm going through these slides really quick. We'll have copies for everybody. If you'd like more information, we'll be glad to give it to you. It's a general overview of how we did last year. This is grade 5 language arts. We struggled a little bit at this grade level. Total students, we did a couple percentage points below the average. Same in general ed and special ed, and then we did above the average for DFG and state in the category of economically disadvantaged. Grade 5 math. We exceeded the standards with the exception of one group, special education group. Grade 6 language arts. We improved again, did better than both our district factor groups and the state in all 4 of the areas. Grade 6 math was the same. That's back to grade 6 math. And then grade 7 ELA. We were right in line above the total general right there. Our special education students did very well, as did our economically disadvantaged. I have to tell you that we've spent a great amount of time at all levels working with both our own Richfield students and the Learning Center students on aligning our special ed classes to what the rigors are in the regular ed, and it shows with the test scores. Kids really do well. Here's grade 7 math. Again, we exceeded both the state and the DFG. Grade 8 ELA did very well. And grade 8 math, we also exceeded both our district factor group and our statewide. This gives you an idea of how our total scores look from 3 to 8 compared to our DFG and the state. So this is all the grade levels. We're the blue line. The DFG is red and the state is green. So it gives you a trend. It shows you that the trend of our school very much follows the trend of the state in terms of scores. We did. Fifth grade we struggled in the ELA, but other than that, we're pretty much following the state trends or above them. And this is math. Math, like I said, we did very well last year. We exceeded the state trends in all grades. This compares the last 2 years. In fourth grade, we compare the fourth grade from 2014 to the fourth grade in 2013. Again, the same 4 categories. The red line is 2014 and the blue line is 2013. These now slides are comparing 2 different groups of kids. It's not the same kids. It's the kids who took the test in 2013 and the kids who took the test in 2014. So you're comparing 2 different groups of kids, but it gives you an idea how they did at that grade level over the 2 years. As you can see, in mathematics we went up, and in ELA in grade 4 we did dip. I would attribute the dip to some of the changes in the testing in Common Core and getting aligned with it. Grade 5 now we're comparing the last few years because the kids start the test in 5th grade, and it's blue is 2012, red is 2013, and green is 2014. So the same trend in grade 5 as grade 4. We improved in math over the 3 years, and unfortunately dipped in ELA. This is 6th grade English and